Myself Vishali, I would like to explain my project Superhero Hunt, its explanation and source code. Now let's see the functionality of this project. This is the search bar. In this search bar, I can write the name of the superhero to know about the details of that particular superhero. For example, let me write Batman. When I write the Batman, the relevant search is here on the screen. So by clicking on that particular Batman, a page appears which shows me all the details of that particular Batman's like intelligence, strength, speed, durability, power, combat. When I click on go back to hunting superheroes, I will be here on the screen. Let me write again Batgirl. So when I write Batgirl, the relevant results are here. When I click on add to favorite buttons, my favorite superhero add to the favorite list. For example, add this bad girl, this one, this one. Now let's go to the favorite list and check our favorite list. So by clicking here, I get the list of my favorite superhero here. So if I want to delete a particular hero from here, so I click on this delete button. When I click on go back to hunting superheroes, I will be back on my this home page. Now let's see the code for it. Now let's switch to the VS Code. I have made all these files for my project. This is index.html. This file gives structure to my project. I have used div and span to give a structure. I have made containers. Now let's see script index.js. In this, I fetched all the data from the superhero API and I get the search hero function. First of all, I have extracted search hero in the search bar variable, make it object, and then by writing in the function get search superhero, I write something in search box. It show the relevant result on URL according to the query by search according to the query by this search bar dot value. The value of the particular search fetched from the API and displayed on the superhero container. If something doesn't match, it shows an error. If something doesn't match, it shows an error here. It shows an error. I fetch data in the data variable. The next, I fetch this data in a data variable. I fetched data here. I fetched data in a data variable and I am iterating through and creating div for each hero and appended to it container. The next is the next function is hero card on click. This hero card takes me to the next page and get the entire information of that superhero. The next is logic fab button. This logic fab added here array created here and it checks the superheroes IDs are already added to the fab and it styles the fab button accordingly. Then I have toggle this. Then I have toggle favorite and it's style the favorite button accordingly. Then I have toggle fab button which toggles add to fab according to the button. This is all code for this for adding the relevant styles and all. Now let's see the hero info. This is the code for hero info page. As first of all, I have requested API request given the success response. When API request given the success response, this is status equals to 200 code. Then I am checking null values. This null values I am checking. The null values I am checking and handling this null value and putting if the relevant data is not found, then I put this bar there and set the value to the respective span in heroinfo.html page. So in this page, I have handled all the information if those informations are null. Thank you so much.